I don't even think I had an intention for this painting, but what was very interesting about it was the incredible amount of all the birds that showed up in it. And so I'm just titling this painting A Prayer for the Birds. Using a wash with Payne's Gray, I start looking again for the eyes. Keep on putting more paint on and waiting for things to appear and waiting for things to arrive. And then instantly here, I'm bringing out this woman or this spirit that's in the upper left-hand corner. This first layer that I'm painting only took about 45 minutes. And this is where the whole painting is created. It's created quickly. I don't spend much time. I just let the major shapes come out. And you see there's a bird appearing at the left bottom corner, as well as this interesting face that's appearing in the upper right-hand corner. Even at this point, I haven't chosen any colors or I haven't decided on which way this painting's going to take. And now I just start glazing in some colors to bring out some life in this. And bringing out that wonderful illumination. Now I will start defining the shapes around these birds, these spirits, and everything else that has appeared. And seeing what I can do to make this composition a little bit more palatable. And as always, I'll spend more time, since it's an intuitive painting, reworking the colors, covering things up, putting more paint on top to eliminate certain areas that I don't want to see red or blue and so on. So it's very interesting that a very large parrot has appeared right above the head of the woman. Also to note, in the lower left-hand corner is a medicine man wearing a mask of a bird. And then to the left, in the middle, is a phoenix. And this is the final painting.